Curiosity saves lives. They say curiosity killed the cat, but what they never mention is that sometimes, curiosity is the only thing keeping you safe. I didn't pay much attention when the new neighbor moved in upstairs, just another face in our aging city apartment complex. But I started noticing things. Every night, long after midnight, I'd hear the unmistakable sound of something heavy dragging across the floor above me, relentless and slow, like someone rearranging furniture in the dark. Yet, no one ever saw them leave or enter, not for groceries, not for trash, not even for mail. Weeks passed, and the sounds became routine, a nightly lullaby of dread. I tried to catch a glimpse of them, lingering in the hallway, but their door always remained firmly shut, the peephole dark. My neighbors all shrugged it off, saying it was probably just a night owl or someone working from home. But last night, things changed. When I left for work this morning, muddy footprints trailed down from the stairwell and stopped right at my door. The mud was thick and black, not the kind you'd find in our concrete jungle. I followed the trail with my eyes, tracing it back up the stairs and to their door. The prints were wide, with odd, splayed toes, and the mud smelled foul, like stagnant water and something else, something metallic. I stood there, heart pounding, when I realized a single, watery footprint was pressed against my doormat, as if someone, or something, had paused, considering whether to knock. Tonight, as I record this, the dragging has stopped. Instead, I hear soft, deliberate steps above my bed, pacing back and forth. I think whatever lives above me knows I noticed. And now, the muddy prints are seeping through my ceiling, dripping down my walls, pooling on my floor. If you're watching this, please, never ignore the sounds at night. Not all neighbors are meant to be seen.